When I was implementing blending modes inside my latest DCTL grainy, I made a mistake and it ended up with an unexpectedly amazing result. I called it bleach bypass, because it reminded me of this kind of look at that moment. Before telling you the mess behind it, I'd like to tell you what interesting things you can create with this composite mode. I created a new simple DCTL to experiment with it. You can download it for free and with open source code using the link below. So, applying the same image to itself using the mod, it just creates a black and white. Let's fill the frame with the average color of our footage and apply our new mode. Here we recreated the look I showed you before, but without the grain. What else can we do? On the previous node, using global HDR wheel, we can create a split tone. We can rotate hue to create a sort of fairy tale look. Using RGB mixer, we can achieve something different too. Please share your thoughts in the comments. What has led me to this composite mode and what is mess behind it? Well, I wanted to write a code to create a standard luminosity composite mode. Believing the information from Wikipedia, I needed to do a conversion from the RGB to HSL. But I already tried once to write a conversion code almost a year ago, and it ended with visual artifacts. So I quickly came up with a hypothesis on how to recreate it without conversion, and it worked. My version of luminosity mode looks the next way. We need the luma value of the source image pixel and the luma value of the changed image pixel. We can find the difference between source luma and changed luma. Then we need to subtract the difference from each color channel of the source image. That's it. Of course, visually it is different compared to the built-in mode, but creative-wise it works perfectly for me. And before discovering that solution, I made a mistake, and instead of finding the difference between luma, I found the difference between the luma of the source image and each color channel of the changed image. And then I added the difference to each color channel of the source image. That is the mess behind the new composite mode. How would you name it? Write your versions in the comments.